Hello my dear students. As you are aware that the Delhi University also has a 5-year law program in which there are total of 120 seats, 60 for BLLB and 60 for BBLLB. But it does not conduct its own exam. Instead of that, the Delhi University admits the students for 5-year law program on the basis of the marks scored by them in CLAT exam. For example, in the CLAT exam which was conducted in the month of December 2024, technically known as the CLAT 2025 exam, because it was for the session of 2025, the cutoffs were as following. So for those who will appear in the CLAT 2026 examination, which is to be conducted on this December, on the 7th of December, you will have to score these many marks if you want yourself to be placed at Delhi University. So have a look at this. So for the very first round of cutoff, out of the total marks, the unreserved was admitted at 88.5, okay, but at the same for BBLLB cutoff is slightly less, it was 87. For the OBC non-creamy layer at 79.75, but for BBLLB 78.25. For scheduled caste 72.75, for scheduled caste and BBLLB 69.25. For the scheduled tribe it's 63 in BLLB and 59 in BBLLB. For economically weaker sections it's 81.5 in BLLB and 81.25 in BBLLB. Then for the persons with benchmark disabilities it's 70.75 in BLLB and 59 in BBLLB. So after the first round, vacant seats were there and now the second round was conducted. And now the cutoffs are as following. For the BLLB versus BBLLB, BBLLB की cutoff थोड़ी कम रहती है. For unreserved 86.75, for the BBLLB it's 86.25. For the OBC non-creamy layer it's 78 for BLLB and 76.25 for BBLLB. For scheduled caste it's 70 for BLLB and 68 for BBLLB. For scheduled tribe it's 62.25 for BLLB and 58.25 for BBLLB. And now the seats of EWS and PWBD under BLLB program were over. So obviously there is no cutoff. But yes, for the BBLLB program, it was 80.5 for the EWS, and for persons with benchmark disabilities, it was 47.25. Still some seats were left, and so a third round was organized. So just point to be noted, usually there are 3 rounds. Okay, obviously if the seats are vacant then. But now for the BLLB program, only unreserved seats were left, for which the cutoff was 86.75, and scheduled tribe, for which the cutoff was 61.5. For all the other categories which can be seen over here or here, the seats were completely filled, so there was no cutoff. But yes, for the BBLLB program, some seats were left. So for unreserved, it's 85.75, for OBC it's 76, for scheduled caste 66.75, for scheduled tribe it's 57.5, for economically weaker sections it's 80, and for the persons with benchmark disabilities it is 39.5. So just keep the same in mind and prepare accordingly. Stay tuned for more such informations. Till then, bye-bye, take care and all the best.